Look at this. Murph just hit a coyote with his truck. Took the head clean off. They just pulled the coyote head out of the grill.
Yeah. Still blood. That's what I mean. There's not even that much fur. Like that's the only. Oh yeah, it did hit that. It must have hit
Yeah,
that.
he clipped your friggin'
And
bar
then,
there and
boom.
just took his head right off. What the? That is wild. He's mint too. Like there's not a thing wrong with him. You can still pet that.
It's a mounter right there. First mounter. It's not even a fish. Smoke the coyote, boys. Holy fuck.